In this demonstration, you'll see how to configure Storage Replica on Windows Server 2019 using PowerShell. Now, we already have two servers set up here, SEA SVR1 and SEA SVR2, each of which has volumes that are available to be used for Storage Replica. One is a data volume that has the drive letter S. The other is a log volume that has the drive letter L. Both of the computers here do have the appropriate roles and features for Storage Replica installed. We start off in PowerShell ISE. We use enter PS session SEA SVR1 to establish a remote session to server SEA SVR1. The next thing we do is put our credential that we're going to use to set up the partnership into a variable. Once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to run a test to verify the Storage Replica configuration. So we highlight the command, invoke command, computer name, SEA SVR1, new item. We create a directory for c:\temp. And what we're going to do is then run the test Storage Replica topology command and store the output of that command in the temp directory. So we run that command. It creates a directory and then runs the Storage Replica topology test. Once it runs that test, it outputs the results of that test into a HTML file in the c:\temp directory on SEA SVR1. This test will take a couple of minutes to run. It will test initial synchronization performance and replication performance. Once that's complete, we can open up File Explorer and navigate to that folder on SEA SVR1. And we can see there is the HTML file. We open it up and we can see the results of that Storage Replica test report. And if you wanted to, you can go into this in a lot more detail to understand what these test results mean. Next, we jump across to the server, SEA SVR1, and we run the new SR partnership commandlet. Now, we need to do this locally on the server because it's one of those commandlets that doesn't work unless a full environment is present. So you could use an SSH session to this server, or you could use psexec. In this case, I'm just logged on to this server core computer on console. So I run the new SR partnership commandlet, and that creates a Storage Replica partnership between SEA SVR1 and SEA SVR2. And we can verify the details of that partnership by connecting to SEA SVR1 on Windows Admin Center and viewing the partnership details in Windows Admin Center, as you can see here. So in that demonstration, we tested a topology to see if it was compatible with Storage Replica. And then once we determined it was, we created a Storage Replica partnership.